Before buying RentCafé, there are a few key things you should know to make sure it's the right fit for your real estate property management needs. We'll compare it with other software options so you can make an informed decision. First, RentCafé offers a comprehensive solution for property managers and landlords, providing tools for everything from online rent payments to maintenance requests and resident communications. It's a strong contender if you're looking for an all-in-one platform that covers the basics of property management. But how does it compare to competitors like AppFolio and Buildium? Stick around and we'll dive into all of it. Next thing to know is RentCafé's focus on online payments and convenience for tenants. Tenants can pay rent online, submit maintenance requests, and even apply for apartments directly through the platform. It streamlines processes for both property managers and tenants. However, while these features are great, platforms like AppFolio and Buildium also offer similar capabilities, often with more customization options. Keep this in mind if flexibility is a key priority for you. The third thing you should be aware of is its mobile app. RentCafé has a solid app for both tenants and property managers, allowing tenants to manage their accounts and landlords to track payments, leases, and maintenance tasks on the go. But when compared to others, such as Buildium's mobile app, some users report that RentCafé's app is less intuitive and can be prone to glitches. Moving on, let's talk about customer support. RentCafé offers 24/7 support, which is a huge plus for property managers who need assistance at odd hours. However, some users have expressed frustration with the responsiveness and effectiveness of the support team. In comparison, AppFolio is praised for its excellent customer support, making it a strong alternative in this department. Another important factor is the user interface. RentCafé provides a sleek, easy-to-use dashboard, which is great for getting started quickly. But while it's simple, some competitors, like AppFolio, offer more in-depth features and better customization to meet your unique needs. If you need advanced analytics or reporting tools, you might find RentCafé a bit lacking in that department. Next thing you'll want to know is pricing. RentCafé's pricing is competitive, but it can get expensive for larger properties, especially with the additional fees for certain features. Buildium and AppFolio may offer more flexible pricing structures, so if you're managing a larger portfolio, you might want to consider them to avoid any surprises. The next thing is the leasing and marketing tools. RentCafé does a great job with online listings and the ability to track applications, but when it comes to marketing your properties, platforms like Buildium provide a broader range of integration options. This can help you reach more potential tenants across multiple channels. Let's talk integrations next. RentCafé integrates with several third-party software solutions, but the selection isn't as expansive as what you'll find with AppFolio or Buildium. If your business relies heavily on integrations with other tools, you might find this a limitation. Another thing to consider is the lease management capabilities. RentCafé has standard lease tracking, but if you need a more detailed lease management system with automation, Buildium and AppFolio offer more sophisticated options. They include advanced lease tracking and reminders, which can help save you time and reduce manual tasks. The next thing is the reporting features. RentCafé's reporting capabilities are decent, but can be a little basic compared to other solutions like AppFolio, which offers more robust and customizable reporting tools. If you want detailed insights into your property's performance, a platform like AppFolio might give you more flexibility. Next, let's talk about tenant screening. RentCafé does provide tenant screening, including background checks and credit reports, but its options are a bit limited compared to Buildium, which offers a more comprehensive screening process. It's important to evaluate whether the screening options meet your needs before committing. The 12th thing to know is that RentCafé is known for its user-friendly design and fast setup. If you're looking for a platform that's easy to adopt with minimal learning curve, this is one of its strong points. But keep in mind, for those seeking a more customizable experience with advanced functionality, you might want to explore Buildium or AppFolio. RentCafé is definitely a solid option for property management, especially if you want an easy-to-use all-in-one platform. However,